What up, everybody? Danger Jealous here. Welcome back to another Texas Massacre video. This is part 2 of Danny Got Fixed. We're using the same build. Ran track, hair, meat, or taekwondo. 43 in toughness, 42 endurance, and 40 in proficiency. You want to go left here. Taekwondo is a random perk. Hair, meat is right here. And you want to go up here for ran track. Alright, we're going to see how Danny got fixed. And let's get into the video. Alright, we are on Slaughterhouse. Alright, we're on Slaughterhouse. Hitchhiker, Johnny, Leatherface. Probably gonna try my pressure valve. Because we're Danny. Alright, Leatherface. Not really a big fan of, but I mean, anyone. Now there's a lot of stuff you can inspect over here. I look up in the cart. Get this. Ooh. Oh wait, bro. Watch this. Run over here. And we're good. So you get out of that situation, boys. And girls. Alright, I'm gonna go over here. I don't want to waste my stamina. I really wish I had more stamina on him. I heard Hitcher. He probably would have trapped the stairs. Or near Grandpa. Or near something. Because I heard that. Come on. He's immediately going to me. Other person with the bone trap. Come on, bro. Yeah, let's get an unlock tool. Somewhere. Unlock tool, hello. Not really a bone trap. There's an unlock tool over there. I do need some more knowledge. I mean, I have like kind of almost a quarter, maybe like 17. I don't know, that's not the point. Alright, I got 2 lockpicks. I'm going up. Gonna try to get pressure valve. I know where pressure valve can spawn in this map. With the actual valve. So is it actually? Oh my! You're joking me. Well, I know it's just like you're trapped really every single stairs. Alright, he doesn't have venom. For once. You gotta be kidding me. Try me, bro. Oh no, you're just gonna do that again.
God, I hope this works.
Why isn't that venom? Oh my god, I was gonna say. No! Bro, piss off. I'm slamming the door on your bitch ass. Come on, where's the door? Actually, where's the door? Oh my god. There's a door over here. Enter. Still facing. Why? Left figure around the door. You wrecked me. Bro, I can't do anything. Okay, there might be a door over here. Go over there. Go over there. Step in your trap.
I can definitely use this to help.
Why, Anna? Bloodface broke down all these doors. I want a little bit more help. Right. I should really trap all these stairs. Guess I need to trap these stairs too. Right. Like this.
That's how that goes.
This one's actually really good to inspect. Is it over there? Yeah, it's over there. You trap it. I'm gonna inspect this. This is also another really good one to inspect.
I think I got it.
Right, Sonny's dead. Chicken. I'm gonna tamper the pressure valve. Yeah, okay, just be patient. Bro, I'm like,
Looks like they left.
these hitchhiker traps. Why can I not inspect that? Alright. Just be patient. Bro, can I, like, what is he doing? Alright. Alright, just be patient. We do have enough knowledge. Inspect this. I don't want to get killed by Leatherface, though. Shit. I
know they aren't too far away.
Shut up, Danny!
Gotta breathe.
Hide. I really just... Hannah, why? No, if you can distract them. Face on. Camper. Now I gotta run. Run. He wants me. Thank you, Anna. I appreciate it. Okay, he knows I'm up for that now. Anna, run, just run. Oh, and you're fucked. Bro, I forgot the chicken. Ah, okay. Bro. Shit, I just coming.
Damn it. Everywhere I look, I'm right here.
Hide. Please. Hide. Bro, this is so dangerous. Alright, I got an idea. I turn on the pressure valve, and I open the fuse.
Lost them. Looks clear.
Run. Oh my god. Run. You're joking. Well, I can jump down. Bro. Jump. Bro, you're joking, right? You're joking me.
Use that.
Alright. Bro.
Don't see anybody. Okay.
Give me health.
I can't die today.
On health. I'm gonna bleed out. I'm gonna find health right now. I mean, this will do nicely. God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna... I wanna have to tamper pressure valve. Once I tamper the fuse. 4 health right there. Alright, that's what I do. What do I do? He's gonna... Where's fuse box? So I just can't turn it on because my whole team's dead. Oh my god.
Gotta stay quiet. Gotta stay focused.
You're joking me, right? Dead. Why? Please. Nothing here. Bro. Ned. God damn it, bro. Alright, we're on Family House. I actually had a match last game where offlane disconnected. But Leatherface, Hitchhiker, and Johnny, so no Cook. And yeah, those my teammates don't wake up Grandpa and immediately die. That's happened probably in the last, what, 2 games? It's always people wake up Grandpa too. I know I'm doing it right now, but at least lashes. Well, we got Grandpa, they're all gonna die. Let me unlash this actually. Just in case they, and Johnny's gonna come down here. Guys, I don't know about waking up Grandpa. You might not die, but you might get your teammates to die. You can make noise if you already woken up Grandpa, but I don't know, bro. Really up to you. I'm all for basic storage. Bro, I have my endurance 40. It's running out so fast. And I ran track.
They can't follow me so easily here.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Hey, you're here. You seen anybody
Scared
else?
me shitless. I'm unlocking this door. Or you can unlock it. I'll tamper this. Inspect, whatever.
That worked. Finally.
That was fast.
So bad. Can you help me? Please.
No. Shit.
You look like you've been through hell.
Slow down. Move,
Maybe
move.
we can help each other.
Inspect.
Recognize this.
Help, they're gone. You get away from me.
Alright, I'm inspecting. Let me do a quick check. Pressure valve out here. I don't think it is. Whatever, don't got time. You're already unlocking these. Shit. Leatherface just did some shit over there.
That's how that goes.
Alright, they're just giving the family house. Me personally, I'm not going to. And lock the door, don't go over here. What am I doing? He's out. Okay, they're both out. Nice to turn off generator. Good distraction. Good distraction, guys. Good distraction. I'm gonna try going for Fee's box. Hopefully Fee's is here. Really good distraction, guys. This is so unfortunate. Fee's is not here. Johnny's connected. Bro, why do I apparently keep disconnecting? Oh my god, no. Look, this like area up here, I'm telling you, you can get so much knowledge. Look. Knowledge here, boom. Got that.
Me right now.
I'm just gonna open this. I don't really care. Also over here. Boom, even more knowledge. I'm telling you, bro, these radios give you a lot. Got this. Let's open up more exits. Why not? Inspect this. This is a good barricade.
I don't see anybody.
Alright. Who the hell's up here? They have hitchhiker? Oh fuck, they do. They just turned off car battery. The feed box is right here. You didn't trap it. I sure is.
Alright. I got this. I'm good.
No. I'm gonna tamper this. Tamper! Or inspect. Oh, I thought that was like hitchhiker or someone. Alright, insert this. Let's just repair it. Why not?
Lost them. Looks clear.
9. This, and this.
Gotta stay quiet. Gotta stay focused.
I'm gonna try putting pressure valve on. Why the hell not? God damn it, where is it?
My friends haven't
Right here,
run
right here.
into these freaks.
Come on, bro. Bro, okay, here. Oh, damn, she already did it. I'm just gonna tamper that. Did I? Yeah, I'm gonna tamper that. I appreciate this hitchhiker and Leatherface for not giving up. Oh.
You need
Ooh,
to
shit.
just leave me alone.
I should really step in that. Come on, bro, let's leave.
Look who's here.
I could have just left. God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna step in this.
Looks like you left.
Why'd I do that?
Do that again. Gotta
I didn't inspect it! Fuck it, open it. Fuck. Watch this door slam. God damn it. Go this way, go this way.
I don't see anybody. Okay.
Shit. Shit. Can I not? Perfect. Don't mind me. So let me do this. Alright. Tamper. And boom, we're out. Bro, I fairly gotta stop disconnected. I'll just leave. Well, thank you everyone for watching. I'll probably next video I'll probably do builds that counter the OG3.
Quieter.
And yeah, bye and have a good day.
Somebody please! Somebody help us!